Hey folks, Adam here. This is a Donner guitar. It's a DAG 1C with the Purple Heart fretboard, and it is absolutely amazing. So I'm going to tell you a little bit about Donner guitars and why they are my choice for beginner and intermediate guitars. This is an acoustic guitar, and look how fantastic this is. Now, first off, I love music, and let's go ahead and get a thumbnail of a fantastic guitar that you're going to want to pick up today and order with confidence, order with Amazon Prime, free shipping, free returns, and an A to Z guarantee. So why is this such a fantastic guitar? A little out of tune, but needs a little work there. That's my own fault. This thing comes with a great carrying case. It comes with everything you need, your picks, and just all the accoutrement. You can check that out in the listing itself. The DAG is an amazing guitar. If you are somebody who loves music and wants to get into introductory music, let me tell you, there's so much available on the social media channels nowadays. You can take lessons online and learn every position for your hands, your keys, everything you need. All you need to do is buy the guitar, and you can get the guitar for such a low price thanks to Donner. Easy to tune, easy to learn, and yeah, pretty much free lessons available online thanks to the good people on your favorite video sites. Now, I love music. I love guitar. My favorite guitar players, Johnny Cash, Jimi Hendrix, Stevie Ray Vaughan, some of the amazing guitar players. I've got, I love music, so the movie Easy Rider, you can just barely see the poster over there, the Blues Brothers, the Rat Pack. I love music, I love hearing music, and this is a great place, a great guitar for you to really start your music career with. Or if you're just looking for a good low price guitar, this one is the guitar for you. So I want you to go ahead, check out the good mahogany wood on here. The sound is fantastic, and you're gonna wanna pick one up today, straight as an arrow, and absolutely amazing. The fact that you can get this shipped to you for such a reasonable price with Amazon, with the A to Z guarantee, which means if you don't like it for any reason, the first 30 days, you can return it. Any reason you want, you can return it. And yeah, the mahogany is fantastic. I'm trying to give you all the close-ups so you can see it for yourself before you buy it. I want to demonstrate the great quality, everything about it. And I think the part that blows me away is that you can get a guitar of this quality for such a reasonable price. This is something that when I was a kid, 5 times as much, no doubt. So go ahead and order today. Order with confidence, order with Amazon. You absolutely won't be disappointed. It's a beautiful guitar, great mahogany, great bones, great structure, and great sound. Order today, you absolutely won't be disappointed. Hopefully that gives you a up close, you can take a look at the guitar, and yeah, you're gonna love it. So thanks for watching, and adios amigos.